Boom! Another package from Lazada, guys. Arrived today. Bisag daon. Gihatod Japon's delivery. Okay. So I'll just let you see the label. It's here. That's the label. Let's open what is inside this small pouch package. Ah, boom! So I love this seller, no, because even though this item is so small, he still packed this so tightly and with lots of bubble wrap to make sure that this item does not get destroyed or is protected. And here is the item. What could this be? So I ordered from Lazada base back a holder for my flash. I only got this for around 50 pesos each. Other shops, you can buy this at around 200 pesos, but I only got this for 50 pesos each. You can adjust your lighting or your flash, and you need to have a stand for this. So I got my previous stand already included by one of my lighting that I ordered recently in Shopee. Just to show you how to use this, I have a stand. I'll get the I'll get this cover from the tip for the screw, and then I'll just have to put it there, screw it in. With this, I can already adjust my flash 180-degree angle. So we're using a Canon Speedlight 580EX flash. Already put in my remote trigger for the flash. We will just put it here. You have to screw it in, screw it a little bit tighter. There you go, it's tight enough. Then you can now adjust your flash. Let's test it out with the camera flash. Turn on the flash. I'll get my camera. Alright, here's my camera bag. And then I'll just get my camera, a Canon 6D Mark 1. I'll just get the trigger. I'll turn this on. I'll put in the trigger. Turn it on. So if you have a subject, if you need to adjust your flash, you can just adjust it like that. Even if you have a flash itself has an angle, but when you're already in the studio and then you have an umbrella, it's better to just adjust the whole entire umbrella. If you're shooting for food like this, and then if you're shooting for a person, or maybe you have it in a high angle, you put this up. Just let you see, it's a ball type contraption, so it's really nice. It You can adjust it in every angle. It really looks or feels like it's very sturdy, very reliable product. This is made out of steel and the body is also made out of steel. So everything is made out of steel except for this tightening uh, knob to tighten your flash. So this is really nice. If you want the link to this product, I will just share it with you. Just look at my profile or my description. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining for another uh, opening of parcel that I got from any online shops. I'm going to open more parcels in the future unless if my wife does not let me buy anymore. Okay, thank you guys. See ya. Thank you for joining.